Hello everybody, this is Rick from Garage 911. I'm back with another repair that might help you out. We have a 2009 Subaru WRX with a problem that's very commonly found in these cars. It's a defect straight from the factory, and really the factory isn't doing anything about it, so we are. And this is what we have done to repair this firewall issue when pressing the clutch. So what we've done is, I don't know if you can see here, we've installed a Rally-Tech firewall brace. See if you can get that in there. Okay, now as you can see, that's it right there. It goes along, comes down, braces from the motor mount over, attaches to the master cylinder, the clutch master, and creates almost a gusset type of brace here. But the problem is, this vehicle has been gone too far. So yes, it is a Rally-Tech. We don't work for Rally-Tech. This is just the easiest one I found to put in. It has made an improvement, but unfortunately, it's gone a little bit too far. So we've had to replace the clutch on this Subaru. Once again, it was only replaced about a year ago by Subaru. The clutch was replaced, but the firewall issue was not addressed. Thus, it created another bill that was completely avoidable to the client. So, with the Rally-Tech brace that we've put in, it has improved things greatly. But as you can see here, I've painted the area yellow. Two things. Notice the brake pedal moving and the noise that is made when you push the clutch. Sure sign that you've got an issue. So if you look up here, and I hope you can see it, there's a crack up. And if you see it, see the flexing? The only choice I have now is to weld that. So stay tuned and see what happens after I weld this. So I don't know if you can see this, but if you take a look up there in the pedal assembly, the cross tube is cracked. There's no real repair for this except for to weld it. So you can see it flexing, you can hear it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to weld it, and we will see what happens after this repair. Okay everybody, we're back. As you can see, I've done a weld in there. Don't judge my weld, I'm a really good welder, but the predicament I found myself in trying to weld this, I'm not a contortionist, so I've done the best I could, and this is the result. So I'm gonna show you now. No more flexing. I have a full range of pedal now right from the top, and as you can see, the brake pedal movement is completely minimized, and our squeaking issue is gone. So that's our fix. I hope you enjoyed our fix. This was a little bit on the excessive side, but call us 911, Garage 911, 289-278-0911. We'll take care of all your needs. Thank you for watching.